The artistic freedom actually is like super important in artistic work. Because without it, there would be no art, basically.
Oh wow.
In my opinion, artists should have 100% freedom. Of course, you know, it's an outside space, so I understand that people don't want to see like gore or I don't know, like some horrific images or something like that, or like rapes or stuff like that. So I can understand that, but besides that, I think you should have a freedom of speech and you should have a freedom of showing what you want to show to the people. If there is a third party involved that tells you what to do or what not to do, the artwork loses a lot. Because you know what you want to show, you know what kind of emotion you want to get from the viewer or show to the viewer. The art should not only please you, but also you should be sometimes asking yourself some questions that you wouldn't ask yourself without seeing something. Like even if you like it or you don't like it, that's okay. Art doesn't have to please everyone. Art has to be something that you just stand for a second, look at it, and you have your own ideas of it. You have your own connotation with it, or you have your own vision of what the artist wanted to show you. You don't paint something that is gonna like scare the kids every day when they walk by. But besides that, I think you should have 100% freedom of speech. And in these times right now that everything gets cancelled so easily, like when you have like, I don't know, people get cancelled because they tweeted something like 20 years ago, it's super important to maintain this freedom of speech and to not let outside people tell you what to do and what to think about your own work. You can just see it and discover the work by yourself. Like, I'm not gonna tell you what to think. You just have to come here or like see it on internet. But it's better to come here and just see it and check it by yourself and get your own ideas of what do you think about it or what do you think that I wanted to show. Like, yeah, that's the best option, I think.